Today we'll be talking about a few things that you should stop doing.
Stop doing that!
As a new creator here on YouTube or for any social media platform for that matter. So welcome back, my name is Mario So, and recently there has been a lot of you joining me on the channel. Thank you so much. But a lot of you have said that you are a new YouTuber or a new creator trying to get started in creating content. So I thought of making this video for you, but this video can apply to any creators right now as well. So I'll be talking about 5 things that you should probably start to avoid if you want to succeed as a creator. So the first one is to stop saying yes to every free product that you can get your hands on.
Did you say free?
I did.
So right when I was just a little bit over 100 subscribers, a company reached out to me asking me if I could review one of their piece of equipment in exchange for free gear or for that free equipment. And right away I was very excited because that was my first quote unquote brand deal or collaboration with an actual company. And for myself at that time, it didn't make sense because my channel was talking about filmmaking, photography, and all the gear that you need to create videos and photos. As my channel started growing, even with a small amount of subscribers, I started saying yes to a few companies or a few things for a few products that didn't really fully match my channel, but I felt that I wanted to do them because I'm a small creator and I need to say yes to every single company that sends an email my way. I started to realize that not everything fits my channel and that not everything makes sense for me or for my audience. So very early on, I started to say no to a lot of these emails or potential collaborations or potential free products. If you want to make yourself trustworthy and honest and have an audience that trusts you, you do not want to be saying yes to every single company or every free product in exchange for a video. You want to be saying yes to only those companies that make sense to your channel, or if there are products that you personally would use for your channel or for your purposes. If you've ever received a free product in exchange for a video or for some content, but that didn't really fit your channel, let me know in the comments below and let us know what that product was. The second thing you need to stop doing is to stop copying other creators.
Yo, don't copy exact, man. Change 1 or 2 and make it wrong.
So the beauty about social media and content creation is that you can be yourself, and people who connect with you as a person will stick around. When you try to put on a personality when you're in front of your camera that is not yourself, it's going to be very difficult and tiring on the long run. So the best thing to do is just be yourself. Those who like you and connect with you, they will stick around. Those who don't, they'll leave, and that's okay. The next thing is you need to stop comparing yourself to other creators. It's very easy when you're scrolling through social media and you're watching videos to be comparing yourself to this person and to that person and think to yourself why you don't have that many subscribers, that many followers, or that many views on your own videos. You have to remember that everyone's journey is unique and everyone's journey is different. So stay true to yourself, create the content that you like to create, be yourself, learn from others, yes, take inspiration from others, yes, but do not compare yourself to others because that can be very dangerous for your content creation and even for your own mental health. So the next thing is to not lose focus and consistency. A big part about content creation for social media is that you have to be consistent and you have to be focused.
Focus that fire on the left flank, Sam.
If you're very sporadic about your content and you post videos once in a blue moon, it's going to be very difficult for you to grow as a creator. You want to be putting content consistently, and that can be according to your own schedule, according to what makes sense for you. So it could be once a week, twice a week, or even once a month. But the key thing is to stay focused and to not lose consistency. And the last tip I have for you new creators out there is to not look at your endpoint or the endpoint that you think you want, but enjoy your progress and enjoy your journey. And this ties along very well with the point about not comparing yourself to others, because you may compare yourself to someone who has a larger following and a larger number of views on their channel, and you may think that that is your endpoint or that should be your endpoint. And if you do not reach that goal, then you're just going to be discouraged. But just learn as you go, keep posting, keep creating, and enjoy the process and the journey. Even if you do not get as many viewers or followers as you like, what's important is that you're creating content that you enjoy creating and that you are learning As you go, you're improving your skills and you're making each video better than before. There's a ton of stuff that you're going to learn about yourself, many skills that you'll be developing. So enjoy the process, enjoy the journey. One of my lights went off. So there you have it. Those are my tips for you if you are a new content creator. I hope that you enjoyed today's content. Let me know in the comments below when you started your creator journey. I would love to hear about that. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe for similar content from me. And I'll see you in the next one.